I'm making vegan sloppy joe today, and I'm starting with my slaw. A lot of people don't like slaw on their sloppy joe, but I do. For the slaw, I used red cabbage with regular cabbage, some kale, and some Brussels sprouts. To that, I added 2 tablespoons of vegan mayo, some relish, some salt and pepper, a little sugar, and some white wine vinegar. It came out very good. I pre-cooked a bag of organic lentils, and I will be using 2 cups out of this, along with 1 carton of portobello mushrooms that I diced up. I'm using a half a teaspoon of pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, and a little bit of cayenne pepper. To a cup of water, I'm adding a half a cup of tomato paste along with a teaspoon of red miso paste to give it that extra kick. Now let's add some color to the dish. I'm going to add a half a cup of bell pepper, onion, 2 cloves of garlic minced, and a half of tomato. Look at that. It's beautiful. Nailed it. This vegan sloppy joe is amazing. It's very tasty, full of flavor and protein. I nailed this dish, guys. It's sloppy. I think I've made my best vegan sloppy joe to date, and I'm super excited about it, guys. Thank you for watching Vegan with Soul. Thank you so much for all of your support, and I will catch you next time in my kitchen. Bye, guys.